Hello triathlon fans, this is Kai from k-aero, and in this video I would like to introduce our hydration system and how it would look like if you order it. So since we make a tailor-made for you, it has to be 3D printed, and this is something what you should consider regarding the surface quality. This is directly out of the printer, as you can see. And you have the lines, those typical lines here. And please just consider that before ordering. But I think it looks really, really nice. It's a shiny surface right out of the printer, and it gives the product a really cool looking one. Here in between the top and the lower part, we have our aero bars. So this area is not visible at all. Okay, and please consider also, since this is a 3D printed product, we have some process, some points process related. So for example, here in the front here you can see those little marks here. This is part of the printing process. So if you do not like this at all, you can grind it away, but then the surface will not have the reflecting look anymore. So please consider this. But I think it's not really visible from the side. Just a little bit. On the top you also have the part here which connects together here. And also here, since this is 3D printed, we have some little surface differences compared to the rest. So this here regarding the process itself looks different. And here is our top. And this is how it would look like if you are on your bike itself and look down to the hydration system. But again, I think this looks very, very, very good here. Here we have our Garmin mount, and let's go from the side. Yes, it's a good view here. So this is the surface itself. Okay, this is now regarding the surface quality out of the 3D printer. So please bear this in mind before ordering. Good, next are the functions. Yes, first of all, here on top we have our functions that we want to drink out of the bottle, want to drink out of the hydration system, and therefore you have to open it. In the beginning it's probably a little bit hard, but with time it gets easier. Here, so 2 fingers and pull it down, and then it works. And you can see, it's a little bit, maybe a little bit harder than normally, but this is necessary since this must be since the water should not go outside here. So this is the reason why I keep it like this, a little bit harder to open, but better a little bit harder instead of that the water gets out. But in practice on the bike, you need some training, let's say, to open it with 2 fingers, but as you can see, it's not a problem at all after time. Okay, so please consider this. Next is when you wanna drink, of course, itself. And then we have here our mount for the drinking straw itself, and here you can lift it. Now it's a little bit tight maybe. This is something also what can be adapted. And this is how it looks like. This is here from X-Lab itself, and you can change the height, of course, as well. So back in the mount. Yes, next is our Garmin mount itself. But the Garmin mount itself is pretty simple. Just buy one for your special computer and put it on top of here. It's just easy, just screw it here on the surface, and then it's fine. So next are the connection to the bike. Here we put some rubber, some silicone in order to have somehow the firm connection to your bike on both sides here as well, and on the back side also here. These are the 3 points where this has any contact to your bike, and by those silicone it's somehow shake proofed and very smooth, and you can firm it also pretty good. So this is it. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, any further questions, please write me an email. And this is it for the video. So stay tuned and see you in the next one. Bye guys.